Hello everyone and welcome to Janice Creative Flowers. So I haven't posted anything for some time. It's near about 2 months, I guess. I was quite busy with my Amazon work. I sell flowers on Amazon. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make this flower. Now, I don't have any name for this flower. This is my own thinking, my own creativity. So this flower can be used as a beautification flower on your dresses. You can place it on the bow, or you can use this flower also for candle decoration or cushion decoration or anywhere, whichever, or for the girls hairband. You can use this as a bow. So let us see how we are going to how to make this flower. Yeah. So first we will see the materials required. So what I have here is a starched satin cloth, white color one. Yeah, so if you want to learn how to starch the satin material, satin cloth, then I have a video on my channel how to starch the satin material. You can go through it. Okay. Then we have to draw three shapes. This is the big one, so I have the measurements given here with the 6 corners, like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So this length is 7 centimeters, across it is 5 centimeters. Yeah, so this 3 cuts is not for this. For this here we want only 2 cuts, so but the shape is same. So draw a shape like this, and then another one little smaller than this, and then another one little smaller than this. These are 3 shapes. Yeah. Okay, so I've used these shapes for a very long time, so they are not in actually very good like they are not in a proper shape, because when we use it for a long time all the pencil marks come on it. But you can draw the shapes on some thick material, thick cardboard material. Yeah. Okay, so now we will start. Now first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my the starched satin material, and on the uh, okay, so first we'll see the the materials required. Yeah, I stopped in between. Okay, so these 3 shapes. Then I want a pearl. I want a pearl to place it like this. Yeah, I want some pollens to, the way I have arranged them around the pearl. So I'm going to use pollens for that. And here if you see, I have 2 metal rods. Okay, this I need for molding for purpose, because I have to give the shape to the petal, or they will not stand like this. That we will see how we are going to do. Very important one, I want a glue gun. Yeah, and a pair of scissors, very important, that is needed for all the craft. So first what we are going to do is take one shape and draw 2 cuts. One cut, okay, 2 cuts, same, this 2 cuts and this 2 cuts. Let me draw. I have drawn all the 6 shapes. Yeah, 2 big ones and 2 medium ones and 2 small ones. Now I'm going to cut them. have cut it. Now I have to mark the centers. Marking center is very important. Why, I'll tell you later, so that we can give a center cut. Fold one, give a cut. Fold it on the opposite side, give a cut. Now you have to give the cut to the petals, like here. If you see, one towards the center, not like this or like this, exactly pointing to the center. So that's the reason we have to draw the center point, or your center will be somewhere else and you will give a cut somewhere else. Yeah, okay. So this is one petal. In this way I'm going to cut all the 6 petals. Yeah, so I am done with cutting all the petals. The big 2, medium 2 and small 2. The next job is molding. Now we have to mold these petals to give a shape. Now we'll see how to do the molding. Yeah, for that usually I use something called soldering machine for the molding, but here the problem is my soldering machine is not working. And there is a shortage in the market, so I cannot even get it from the market at present. So I have to use this metal balls. So what we do is, when we use soldering machine also, we insert the metal balls into the soldering machine, and we heat the soldering machine so that balls can be heated. So here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to heat this this metal balls directly. So I have to go to kitchen. So yeah, you all will get the opportunity to see my kitchen now. Okay, so let's go. First I take one metal ball and I take a thick kitchen cloth, because when we heat this up, the metal rod becomes really hot. So it's good that we are using a kitchen cloth, and then switch the gas on and hold it like this and heat the metal ball. It will take some time. I mean, not a big time, like a minute or so, because it should be hot. You can touch and see, but be careful, do not burn your fingers. And when you do all this, please keep children away. This is not very safe for them. Okay, slow the gas. Take the petal. Now on the back side of the petal, not the shiny side, on the back side of the petal, roll this ball like this. Okay. You see a shape change? Yeah, okay, fine. Then roll this. 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. See. And then turn the petal, and where the center point, this is why we draw the center point. Here, press the ball down like this. So my petal comes out like this. I'll show you one more. If required, hit the ball. Okay. Take the petal. On the back side, not the shiny side, on the back side, roll the ball like this. Okay. Roll the ball towards the center. Yeah. And then turn the petal on the shiny side, where you mark the center point, where you cut the center point, there hold the ball like this and press it down. Yeah, your petal comes out like this. Okay, do the same for other petals. Now I'm done with the big ones. I am doing it for the medium ones. Okay, again same. Okay. If required, hit the ball. Done. Now coming to the small ones, there is little change. Okay. Now the third part of petals, I mean the small ones. Here what you do is same on the back side, roll the ball, roll the ball, roll the ball. Okay, and now I am not going to turn the petal. Okay, I am keeping it same and roll the ball like this. Yeah, like this. Why, I'll tell you later. One more. Roll it like this. Roll it, and yeah. So put off the gas. Our job is done. I have one more small metal ball also. You could have used this for the small one, but it's okay if you can manage with the big ball, no problem. Now, yeah, let us continue with our flower making. Molding part is done. Yeah. So everyone, we have done with the molding part, and now we are going to arrange the flower like this. So we'll see how we are doing it. I have all the petals here, two big ones, two medium ones, and two small ones. Yeah, okay. Now take the glue gun and take the big petals first. Apply glue at the center and take another petal and place it like this. Place it like this. Now if you see, you have to place the petal in this petal in between the two like this. It should not be like this. It shouldn't be one on the another. It should be cut, should be in between the two, or it will not give a look to the flower. So be careful on that. Yeah, okay. So the way I have done, in between, not one on the another. Okay, now take the medium ones, again same, in between, okay. Yeah, we are done. Again same, take the flower, apply glue to the center and place your petal. Now the last two small petals, that we are going to arrange in opposite way, not like this. We are going to arrange it in opposite way. So apply glue and place it at the center. Apply glue and place it at the center. Yeah. Okay. Leave it for some 10-15 seconds. Let the glue settle down. By the time we'll take up the next part, that is pollens. So I have a bunch of pollens here. So what you have to do is, you have to cut the pollens. So how we are going to do it? Yeah, of course, exactly at the center. Okay, so I'm going to place this pollens like this at the center. I'm going to glue it. So my pollen should not be out of the flower. They should not come out of the flower. My pollen should be visible like this. Yeah, they should not come out of the flower. They should be visible. So if I feel that the pollen thread length is more, I will cut it to, yeah, I will shorten it. Yeah, this much. So I have few pollens already cut. When I feel the thread is again longer, I will cut the thread. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Now apply glue at the center and place the pollens like this. Yeah, place how much ever you can before the glue settles down. Yeah. Now after that, once the glue settles down, if you place it, they don't get attached. Then you have to apply glue to every piece and place it like this. Yeah, it requires little patience. The outcome will be nice. Yeah, it's going to give you a beautiful flower. So we have to show some patience. And always remember, whenever we make flowers, don't be in a hurry. If we make flowers in a hurry, it always happens that it ends up in a disaster. Okay, they don't look that good or anything. Now take the pearl. This is a half pearl. This is not a full pearl, not a circle. This is a half pearl, and on the flat surface, apply glue and place it exactly at the center, pressing the pollens down. Yeah. Now, this is your beautiful flower. Okay. If you want more pollens, you can add more pollens. But I think this much is enough for me. I am happy with this. Yeah. Okay. So everyone, I made two pollens here. Sorry, two flowers here. They look really, really beautiful. So thank you for watching.